Guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to send a broadcast message on WhatsApp. Now let's get started. Once you open your WhatsApp, now what you need to do is come to these three dots, click on the three dots, and automatically you can see new broadcast. Click on new broadcast, and now they said only contact with this in the address book will receive your broadcast settings messages. Now that means only contact that is in your contact will be able to receive your broadcast messages. So let's go and click. Just go and click on the number, click on it. You just pick on those that you wanted to do the broadcast message. You want to send message to them just once. Once you are picking, you're done with picking, click on this dot, and now you can just write message. This message that you write is going to be delivered. Once you click on this, it's going to be delivered to all the 6 at once. So that's how you do a broadcast. You can use it for group meeting, you can use it for a family purpose. So once you click on it, you send a message to them once and for all, and that message will go to all those people that you mark. So it's very simple and easy. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like. Thank you guys.